Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Marissa, and today's video is going to be like a organization video. I want to go through all of my skincare and my hair products and just kind of like reorganize them in my drawer in my bathroom and the cabinet because it's a complete mess. I had it organized at first and then I just keep adding more and more and more stuff to the drawer because I constantly change out my skincare. So I figured we would do like a little organization today. It's Saturday, it's like 3 o'clock. I just got home from Christmas decor shopping because I'm so excited for Christmas. I finally have my own home to decorate. Every time it's Christmas, me and my boyfriend somehow are moving places, so we like never buy Christmas stuff. So this time we're here to stay, and I have some good stuff for this year. So I figured once it's like November-ish, I'll do a video like decorating the whole house and stuff and like vlogging it because that's so fun. I actually want to show you guys. I found this brand on Instagram, like Instagram ads, and I got my mom some jewelry for Christmas. And even if she watches this video, she knows what it is. But so cute. So it's called a Heart Made of Gold. So it just comes in this cute bag, and I'm so obsessed. And it's like pretty affordable. It's nice jewelry. It's like gold plated. But how cute is that necklace? With like the black pendant. So cute. And then I got her this bracelet as well. All right, I'm just gonna open up the window so there's like more light coming through. My camera's at 2 bars, but I really hope it lasts. So let me show you what I'm working with currently. Okay, so here's my bathroom. So I have these 3 drawers and then my cabinet, and then like there's stuff everywhere because I was getting ready this morning. But I have all that. There's still stuff in that bag. And then here's my skincare drawer. This is like supposed to be my everyday skincare. It's a mess. And then when you open here, it's like extra stuff and all my hair stuff. So that's what we're working with. So I figured I would just take everything out, throw away any like empty boxes, and just sort of like reorganize everything because I can't fit everything in here. So that's where I'm at. And that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so here is like an overview of my apparently everyday makeup and skincare, mainly skincare, but I don't really use all of this every single day. So yeah, I'm crazy. I am beyond crazy, and I'm okay with it. So I put my hair up because I'm already sweating, but we're gonna kind of go through everything and just start putting everything back, and then we'll kind of organize underneath. But I just like have so much stuff here, it's just like unnecessary, you know. Also filming for TikTok, I was like, oh, I can just film for both. So that's what I'm doing. But I love watching organization videos so much. So yeah, so I think I'm just gonna start grabbing the things I use every day and like putting them in. There's not like a strategic way to like go about this, but I think I'm gonna start with all the things I use first, which is like 5 products. So yes. So I think I figured out how I'm doing everything. Literally, I still have all the products sitting out here. Look at that. Literally insane. And then this is the stuff that I'm going to probably use either every day, every week, but more than usual. So I guess I'll kind of like walk you through my stuff. So I have the Tatcha rice wash, and then Ole Henriksen mask. This one's the best one, the cold plunge mask. And then Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body, so good. We have the Laneige like water sleeping mask. My deodorant by Salt Air, so good. On the side I just have a few masks. The rest are kind of like go in there. And then this is like beauty tools. This is mainly like eye creams and then like a mini sunscreen that I really like. This is like toners. So we have Paula's Choice that I really love, and I've been trying out the COS RX. RX, sorry. I don't really know how to pronounce this brand. If it would even focus. So I have that one, but then I also have like the snail mucin, and then this little Barbasturm hyaluronic acid, and then another toner that I use like a lot. I love this one. This is also another like toner, but it's like a spray, which I love doing this before my skincare. I have Josie Marin Argan Milk, and then just some eczema cream. And then in here is like my prescription for my dermatitis. And then this is so good. If you get like little bumps on your skin or like just like little pimples, you need this. My skin's been so clear. It's so good. I really love La Roche-Posay. My favorite makeup brush. This is also a game changer. The La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. And then just some hydrating serums, my oils, just like my everyday Summer Fridays, and then the Orchid one from Herbivore, Truth Serum by Ole Henriksen, and then Glow Recipes Dewdrops, and then also Ole Henriksen Dewtopia, and then in this one is just my makeup. This is so good, the Kosas Skin Tint. Literally, if you don't have it, you need it if you don't like wearing foundation. So yeah, that's basically all of my makeup. Also, that lip gloss is so good. That's it for this drawer. Now let's, I guess, clean up the counter and move on to the stuff underneath because she messy. Okay, so underneath I like have this big thing of stuff, literally just stuff, and it's like I have an empty box. Why? So yeah, this is filled with things, and we're just gonna organize it. And I have so much hair stuff, like I don't even know. Okay, I had to actually switch cameras because the other camera is dying, and that literally always happens to me. So we went through the drawer, and then I'm currently going through like all of my hair products at the moment because there's stuff everywhere. I had to go to the pantry and like get some bins because I have way too much stuff. So now we're gonna move on to doing all of the hair stuff because it's just out of control. So back there is just like extra skincare, and then all of my skincare that are in tubs are in the back there. So that's just like products that I have that I either haven't used yet, I've used, but I don't necessarily use them all the time, but I like them. This is like little samples and face masks and stuff, and then what are those called? Hair bands or headbands to like pull my face back when I'm washing my hair. Then I grabbed this because I can like spin it around, but it has all of my hair products on it. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't use that in my pantry. I'm gonna go grab it because it fits perfectly. Next to it is just all of my like little hair stuff, clips, hair bands, brush to do slick back looks. And then next to it is just like my body items. There's like extra like lotions and body wash, and then of course in the back is all of my hot tools. I'm super excited that that's all like taken care of. Now I kind of have to go through like all of the other drawers because all the other drawers are literally ridiculous, and they were organized when I first moved in, and then they just happened to get disorganized. Hairbrushes, you know, all that fun stuff. Probably just put deodorant over here, and then here's just like hairbrushes, obviously a nail file, and then Alex has another hairbrush. There's so many hairbrushes, it's ridiculous, but I also have this empty one, but I think I'll just keep it empty for now. So maybe I will actually do that. That looks a lot better. So now this drawer is organized. I'll show you the drawers now. So we have our top drawer, very organized. Second drawer, you guys have seen. And then the last drawer is like, oh, if I can open it, like extra stuff. It's already 5 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Anyways, just washing my hands. Oh no! I have this hair mask that must have rolled away. Okay. So now we're all complete. I feel like a brand new person right now. And I gotta throw all this crap away. And I have an extra bed now. So that's cool. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little organization video. Let me know if you have any video suggestions down below. I just love like organizing my house. Like it's just, I feel so productive when I do it. So I always wanted to film it for you guys because I love watching those types of videos. So I kind of want to like create my own video. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure to do that. I'm very active on there. And I have a few other like organization videos already. So definitely give it a follow. And I think that is it. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.